Has there ever been a car that you have always wanted since you were a kid? Something that you modified on Need for Speed Underground 2, just because it was your favourite car? Well, today, I got mine.
Sacrifice your life to a higher force.
Learn about life, making my way to the east. See the roads through the natural high.
Sacrifice your life to a higher force.
Learn about life, making my way to the east. See the roads through the natural high. Delicious for the clothes, for the clothes.
So yes, I have indeed bought myself a Lotus Elise, absolute dream car of mine. One of my favourite cars of all time, and I actually own one. I am going to be modifying this Lotus, I'm going to be putting my stamp on it. If you want to see me do some things to this Lotus, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I shall see you in the next video. Peace.